At the Ohio State House, a bill that is a top priority for the Speaker of the House had its first hearing just a few hours ago. New at 5:30, NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy joins us to tell us what the bill would do and how it was received in committee. Natalie?
The bill is all about income and property taxes, and while the bill sponsor says he thinks the first hearing went well, he says there's still a lot of work to be done. House Bill 1 aims to flatten the income tax rate, something both House and Senate Republicans are hoping to accomplish in this General Assembly.
In the last 10 years here in Ohio, when we've cut the top marginal rate, we've increased population and increased income.
The bill would create a flat income rate of 2.75% for all four tax brackets, something many Democrats are not backing.
Is it truly a tax cut or just simply another tax shift? You know, we've had multiple tax cuts over the last decade.
Right now, 3.99% is the highest income tax rate in Ohio. With a flattened tax rate, it's estimated that there will be a $1.2 billion drop in revenue to the state.
Shifting that tax burden onto our local governments and onto homeowners. And at the end of the day, no one is actually saving and in fact paying more in taxes.
We will require some numbers, the sections that are directed towards helping the local communities have to be fleshed out.
Representative Adam Matthews says while there will be a drop in revenue, he does not anticipate it being the full $1.2 billion. He also assured his fellow lawmakers that the local communities will be taken care of, and they won't lose resources like programs for seniors or students.
There are sections in the legislation where we want to take from our excess fund balance and help them and pay for that, whether it's a one for $1 or otherwise, to help them now and into the future.
Matthews says he's open to passing part or all of the legislation in the state's budget or as a standalone bill, and says he looks forward to hashing out the details to make sure it benefits all Ohioans. Local for you at the State House, I'm Natalie Fahmy, NBC4.